You get to my
Hopefully the wind doesn't butcher the quality of this video's audio, but I just wanted to touch up on some of you guys' questions. Why did I get a whole new Greddy front lip? Well, maybe about, I don't know, it was sometime last year, I want to say. I was at the Sacramento Pick and Pull, the one right off the 99 highway, and I go to Pick and Pull. I know I had my lip still. I know I still had it. And I go to the yard, I come back out, and it's completely missing the lip. But I didn't notice at the junkyard. I went to the gas station maybe a mile from that Pick and Pull. I didn't really notice that my lip was gone because I was parked up against the wall. So, or like I was parked front end facing towards the wall, so I didn't really pay much attention to it when I went inside my car. But when I went to the gas station, you know, it's one of those things where you walk around your car while you're filling up, and I was like, oh, where's my front lip at? I didn't realize that it was missing, and so I went back to the junkyard. I'm like, okay, well, it's not here, so what the heck? So I kind of figured someone stole my front lip, because I've broken my previous Greddy lip, and I've dragged it maybe about 100 feet, and I know the sound. It's a very unique sound that it makes when you're dragging a lip, and I know I didn't hear that I believe my friend Santiago was with me, and he also didn't hear anything. So it just leads me to believe that the front lip was stolen off my car, and I had 6 screws holding on this lip. All 6 were completely missing. I figured if I broken it or like, I don't know, just something, they would have maybe still been there. I don't know. Anyways, regardless about that, I ended up getting a whole new front lip. I paid $240 to get it out from Japan. You can't get these in the United States. Some distributors might still have it in stock, but majority of the distributors will say it's about a 2-month wait and you gotta get it shipped out from Japan, which sucks, but I love this front lip. This is the front lip I fell in love with, this front bumper, and that made me want to get like a facelift Celica, because there's a lot of people out there that will like praise the crap out of the 2000 and 2002 pre-facelift front end, but I don't like that tiny little grill. I really don't. So I went with this style, and by the time I had lost that, when I lost the lip or got it stolen, I actually ended up buying a C1 replacement off of eBay, thinking, okay, well, I guess I'm gonna be lipless for like 2 months. And I was like, you know what? I'll just spend the $100 and I'll go get the one that's on eBay. Just, you know, throw a quick spray on it and just call it a day and just rock that until I get a Greddy lip. And no, actually, I ordered one and I got it, and it was this bulges, like, I don't know, it was just too big for the bumper. It's like, it was like about half of the bumper. I don't know, man. This Greddy lip, it's subtle. It's subtle. It flows with the TRD sides, and that C1 lip is just super round at the edges, and I did not like it. So I opted out to, I ended up returning it, and I didn't like it. I returned it, got my money back, and I was lipless for like, I don't know, this is probably the first week, a whole week that I've already had this lip installed. So dude, if you do the math, I've probably been without a front lip for like a good 5 months already. But I'm glad I finally have one, and I'm glad I actually made a fiberglass mold. I'm gonna go ahead and show them pictures of the mold right here, or a video. I made a whole fiberglass mold out of this Greddy lip, so if I were to break it again, at least I can make a copy out of a fiberglass. And if anything, I feel like the fiberglass is a little bit stronger than this. I don't know what kind of material it is, because it does not melt. it will not melt. You could put heat on it and it'll just warp. Like, I know polyurethane will melt and fuse with the other plastics, which is the material of the stock bumper, but the front lip, it's like, it's just a hard plastic that you could barely bend. So I'm not a fan of it. We might get, I might get some lips sold. I might start making some out of like carbon fiber, and we'll see where it goes from there. Yo. Trying to be nice to people. They're all over here like, what the heck is this guy doing in the sidewalk, just making a video? But yeah, I forgot my camera mount, so I can't really mount my camera on the tripod, and I just looking like a weirdo out here. But no, but check this out, guys. This is a really cool area. This is a really cool area. So this is Lathrop. I want to say this is Lathrop. Let's see, that way. Out there is Tracy. Let's see. See if I can point. That way out there is Lathrop and Manteca. I guess I want to say over there by where that tower. I don't know if you guys can see it out there. It's kind of far. All the way out there is the Bay Area. Well, Bay Area. Holy crap! Cringe, man. Cringe. Jeez. No, but this is a place right off of Highway 5. Highway 5 is right here. 205 is right there, I believe. That one, 205. And right here is Del Oso Family Farm. This is Del Oso Family Farm. It's been here since I can remember, and unfortunately, I never went as a kid, and I barely went maybe like a year ago with Caitlin, and it was a really nice experience. I liked it. I really did. But this is a really nice area. I'm glad. Like, I don't know, people hate on California a lot, but California is such a beautiful place to live. Yeah, we got like smog and like all this crap and just taxes, but at the end of the day, it's worth it. I love California. I love the amount of junkyards I have within my surrounding area. I'm like in the middle of all the junkyards. I have 2 junkyards here in town in Stockton, and then I have maybe 3 or 4 in the Bay Area, which are like about an hour away. I have about 3 in Sacramento, 1 hour away. I have, I want to say 2 towards Modesto. One's in Modesto, one's in Madera, I believe. And if I really want to go farther down south, there is 2 more in Salinas and in Moss Landing, pick and pulls. So I'm just glad I live in the middle. So like if I were to go to the junkyards, that's why you guys see all the junkyard videos, because I just go to the junkyards and go there right before they, or right when they announce the vehicles get put in the yard. That's why you guys see me all the time with like rare parts and whatnot. And I get this comment a lot, bro, you always get the good stuff. Let us get parts. Let us get parts. It's I don't want to say it, but it's a dog-eat-dog world out there, man. Y'all gotta go the first minute or the first day they put the notifications out on Row 52. Go check out Row 52, guys. Go check it out. It's a really helpful site, along with Carpart. Holy crap, I love Carpart, but it's not their fault. But this last recent purchase that I did in Lathrop, I won't go into detail right now because I'm gonna make a whole separate video about that. But I got played, guys. I really did. I'm actually really mad about it and frustrated. But I'm in the process right now of talking to Carpart. Hopefully we can work out a deal and get something going on. But I don't want to spoil it because it's gonna be its own video. So sorry guys, I tend to talk a lot. I know. But if you guys made it this far, thank you guys for watching. Check out the Celica, guys. It looks so amazing. I just love the way the Celica looks. Corolla guys, I am so sorry I haven't uploaded that R9K reflash ECU video. I'm sorry. It was supposed to be uploaded around September of last year. I know, guys, I know. But all I will say, for now, it is worth it. Day and night difference of the reflash ECU. Guys, if you guys have a Corolla XRS, get the reflash ECU. It transforms the Corolla. Holy crap. Staying in lift throughout shifts, whew, God. But I will be making a video about that. As I said in my previous video, if you guys didn't even bother seeing it, I recently got permanently laid off from Honda. I was there for about a year and a half, and the whole I don't want to say it, the whole nationwide crisis right now is the cause for my permanent layoff. And then we're having all the riots and the protesting around the areas. So I'm gonna try and stay indoors for now, maybe for like a week or so, before like let everything calm down, because watching all those videos of like people just getting their cars like windows smashed and everything, like, come on, they didn't even do nothing about it. Like, they didn't even do nothing about the whole death of the person. I don't, oh my God, his name has been plastered everywhere. I know it's George Floyd. George Floyd? I think that's what it is. I don't know. Rest in peace, man. I saw the video. That is really messed up stuff that they did to that poor man. It's just, I really don't want to get into the topic. I don't want to get into the topic. Oh! Oh shit. Oh God. Did I just miss that? I hope I got that on video, guys. Welcome to California, man. Welcome to California. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification button. Share this video, guys. Share it. Share my Instagram. Timing chain cover gaskets. I will start doing them whenever, wherever. Just gotta pay me, man. Just gotta pay me. DM me, message me for more information about that. See you guys.